In the event of a fire emergency, ServiceMaster provides various services for different types of fire damage. First, we provide services to help repair damage to your home from protein fire. Protein fire is fire that has been caused by burned food in the oven or on the stove. Smoke residue can appear on contents and surfaces. Complex fire is fire in which natural and synthetic items in the house have been burned. Another type of fire damage treated by ServiceMaster is that from natural fires. This can occur when trees, shrubs, and bushes have burned and smoke has penetrated the structure of your home from outside, so smoke residue and odor are present. We can also provide help in the event of damage from a furnace malfunction, also called puffback. We formulate a plan specifically for you and your needs to be with you every step of the way. If you have any questions, give us a call. Thanks for watching.